On day 2 of this Laguna Beach vlog, we explored downtown Laguna Beach, shopping and beaches, all in the area of our hotel. If you're interested in where we stayed and you missed day 1, you can check out that video right here. So we're hitting on a beach walk today. We're going to walk south of the hotel this morning and enjoy the ocean views. There's a fair amount of people out walking the beach today. So far it's cloudy. Here comes a surfer now. Time to hit the waves. So this area we're walking is actually the Laguna Conservation Marine Area, and I know we've just hit these cool rock formations, so let's see if we've got any living creatures on these rocks. Just a stunning coastline, absolutely beautiful. I don't really know my marine life, but they are definitely like clams on this rock here, all over. Really cool. What else I can find here. After spending the morning on the beach, we decided to pick up lunch at this cute little roadside restaurant called the Orange Inn, located on the corner of Highway 1 and Clio Street. This restaurant was established in 1931, is locally owned and operated, and is the home of the original smoothie. So right around the corner from the Orange Inn is an access point to the beach. I didn't realize this was a protected tide pool area. And so we're gonna sit right here on the stairs overlooking this incredible view and eat our lunch. You can see behind me, up the hill there, all the beautiful flowers that are always blooming here in California. So let's see what we got. You know, California is all about the eco-friendly, you know, you've got the paper straws and no plastic, which is really good. Holy Moses, look at this omelet. I got the spinach omelet, and look at the view. And my daughter got the salad. Just look at the size of this salad. So I got the spinach, tomato, feta omelet. It's very good. And the potatoes are very deliciously seasoned. And I got rye bread. So I'm planning on coming back to this place for coffee tomorrow morning. And they say they have the best coffee in town, so I'm gonna give it a try. Looks like a fairy tale behind me. Hansel and Gretel, maybe? These buildings are so adorable. This is such a neat little area to go shopping. So Laguna has a trolley, but it's currently not running because of COVID right now. I did see a city bus running on Pacific Highway 1, so that's an option for transportation, but I think it might have been a free trolley in Laguna that's currently not running, and some of the signs say that it's temporarily out of service. Okay, so this area is the main beach in Laguna. This is where the main intersection, there's only one entry into town other than Highway 1. And this is where it all happens. The shopping district is right behind me. There's the lifeguard tower, the boardwalk, the sidewalk. Most of the other beaches around don't have a boardwalk. It's mostly steep cliffs and beautiful houses. And so this is kind of the happening area. There's picnic tables, there's volleyball courts right by that big lifeguard shack there, that little historic structure. I was just sitting by, and here's some nice, there's a nice variety of picnic tables to sit down and relax. I was kind of worn out from all the shopping, so we sat down and relaxed for a few minutes. After walking around Laguna for several hours, we wanted a quick bite to eat, something that would be quick and affordable, so I decided to stop at this pizza bar.
And I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Since it's your birthday, I'm going to charge you for a 14-inch. And then whatever else, change. I'm going to get the fresh sausage. It's his birthday today. I'll go 14-inch Pietro sausage. And then whatever else you guys want. Thank you.
After I placed my order, we had to wait outside. And I noticed somebody on top of this building taking photographs. I wondered if there was a pretty sunset going on.